In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page on Bitly. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. You can see I have already opened Bitly on my MacBook. Now, after login, you can face this dashboard. Then, you need to click on Create New. Then here are the things available. Shorten a link, QR code, create, and then landing page. You need to click on landing page. Now you need to select which type of landing page you want to create right now. For example, here is a paid and free available. So I choose first free. This template is good and match me. Then use template. You can see this is a page URL bit.ly. Then you need to set up a name. So I write my own name. Then this is QR code color. If you want to change it to pink, green, red, etc. But I like black. Then if you want to add a logo, you need to just click on here. But I don't need right now. Create your page. Just click here. Wow. I'm going to the next page. Now here are I can able to optimize everything and anything. You can see this is a name, new collection, living room, and etc. I can optimize. If you want to change this name like new collection, so I just click on edit. Then here are type. I write for example top collection. Then click on done. You can see it's already added to this landing page. So once you have everything done, then prepare to publish. Then you need to click on publish changes. Continue to publish. That's it. This is a landing page URL. So this is a method how you can create a landing page on Bitly. Thanks for watching. See you again.